Ngayong araw na to, magluluto ako ng puset. Kaya yung mga mahilig mag-inuman dyan, pwede siyang gawing pangpulutan at pwede nyo rin gawing pang-ulam. Itong recipe na to ay napakasimple lang gawin. Ang kailangan nyo lang ay puset at saka yogurt. Napaka-importante ng yogurt sa bandang huli. Sana magustuhan nyo itong lulutuin ko ngayong araw na to. Tara, samahan nyo ako!
Cut your garlic, ginger, and onion. This is how I clean and prepare squid before cooking. We have to cut the squid into rings. After cutting the squid, we have to put the sizzling plate on a high heat and we will be pouring some olive oil. We will be cooking the squid very quickly, so all you have to do is saute first the ginger, the garlic, and half of the red onion. Cook all these things for a minute. Mix it all together and then you're ready to put the squid. Put the squid on the sizzling plate and mix all the ingredients. You have to cook this really quickly or else it will be tough and rubbery. You have to cook the squid for 2 to 3 minutes on a high heat so it will become soft and tender. While cooking the squid, you have to add some black pepper, crushed chilies, and some ground coriander. Before serving, we have to add half of the red onion, Worcestershire sauce, and half a lemon. We can add some salt to taste. And lastly, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Ta-da! Now you have a sizzling squid in less than 5 minutes.
Kain na tayo! Tara! Harap. Tama-tama lang. Yung lambot niya, hindi siya matigas, hindi siya chewy. Pagkaluto, lagyan niyo siya kaagad ng mga 2 tablespoon ng yogurt. Parang yun ang pinaka-sauce niya. Haluin nyo lang siya. Sarap siya! Try mo lahat!
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.